Ever scrolled through social media and seen those ads promising instant cash? A quick fix for that unexpected bill or a tempting way to finally snag that gadget you've been eyeing. We've all been there. But before you hit that Apply Now button, let's take a closer look at Uprova, one of these lenders offering fast cash solutions. Uprova markets itself as a provider of quick and easy personal loans. They emphasize their appeal to those with bad credit, promising approval with no judgment. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, there's a catch, and it's a big one. Uprova falls under the category of tribal lenders. Tribal lenders are a relatively new player in the financial arena, and their operations raise a lot of eyebrows. They're affiliated with Native American tribes, and here's the twist. Tribal sovereignty means they operate under their own legal code, often outside the regulations that apply to traditional lenders. So what does this mean for you, the borrower? It's a double-edged sword. On the one hand, Uprova might be an option if you've been rejected by traditional banks due to bad credit. They often advertise faster approval times and a more relaxed approach to credit checks. But here's the sharp side of that sword: interest rates. Buckle up, because Uprova's interest rates can be astronomical. We're talking hundreds of % APR, which can easily turn a small loan into a massive financial burden. Uprova might claim their rates are between 34% and 40%, which sounds reasonable on the surface. But here's the key thing to understand. Those are not your typical annual percentage rates. Due to the tribal lending loophole, Uprova might structure their loans with shorter repayment terms, making it seem like the interest rate is lower. In reality, those short terms translate to massive interest paid back in a condensed period. Let's get real. Imagine needing $1,000 for an emergency car repair. Uprova might seem like a lifesaver, but with their sky-high interest, that $1,000 loan could balloon to thousands of dollars you end up repaying. That quick fix can snowball into a long-term financial nightmare. Now, Uprova does tout benefits like reporting on-time payments to credit bureaus, which could potentially help build your credit score. But is that meager advantage worth the potential debt trap? Uprova's loans should be an absolute last resort. Before you even consider them, explore all other options. Can you cut back on expenses? Negotiate a payment plan with a creditor? Look into credit unions or smaller lenders who might offer more favorable rates for bad credit. If you're absolutely stuck and Uprova seems like the only way out, tread very carefully. Read the loan terms meticulously, understand the true cost of borrowing that money, and only take out what you absolutely need. Remember, with tribal loans, there's little consumer protection, so you're on your own if things go south. The best course of action? Avoid Uprova and similar tribal lenders altogether. They might offer a quick escape hatch, but the long-term consequences can be brutal. Remember, there's no magic solution to financial woes. Building a healthy financial future takes time, discipline, and responsible borrowing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, make smart financial choices.